Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to change the VSync setting in Mewgenics. Let's begin by opening the settings menu. Then navigate to the video settings. Here look to VSync. You can toggle it on or off. What does it do? It syncs your FPS to the refresh rate of your monitor. It prevents screen tearing when you see a visual screen tear across your monitor. Of course, this locks your FPS, so it may not be the best for you. If you have, for example, a low refresh rate monitor, or if you are in a reversed situation and you have high refresh monitor but a low-end PC, so high FPS will affect your performance. Of course, choose the option you prefer, then simply go back. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and please remember to like, comment and subscribe.